Having trouble logging into Brawl Stars with your Google Play account? So you're not alone. Let me show you how to switch accounts and log in with ease. So first, let's switch accounts using the Google Play Games app. So all you have to do is open the app, then head to the upper right corner and then tap the three dots and then select settings. And you'll need the Google Play app to do that. So Google Play, make sure you have updated the Google Play Games app and then follow the steps listed here. Now you have to scroll down to your data and click change account for games. Then find Brawl Stars, this game here on the list and then hit change button. Now pick the Google account you want to use. You can also choose to be asked each time to open Brawl Stars which account you need to sign into. So you can find this on the games in game settings, then this option here. So just click on connect and it will prompt you to choose the right email address you want to sign in with. Now if you prefer you can change your account through device settings. Just search for play games, then tap sign in and then find Ballsters, then just tap changes and select your preferred account. Now for the best experience with multiple accounts, all you have to do is link them to your Supercell ID and this way you can play several games with several Supercell ID accounts. It's the easiest way to switch between your game accounts. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.